This is room 224 on the Anthem of the Seas. I'm going to give you a quick tour. We just arrived and luggage has not arrived yet. There's me if I trip. And here's the bathroom. Got a cool looking Lost in Space shower. And it looks like it comes with hair and body wash. So I don't know about that. Got some shelves, toilet paper, soap, towels. All right, what else? I know we got some good storage here. Big closet. Little shelf thing, and I think these two are empty, or they might have more pillows in them. My TV. This is a ocean view or a balcony room. There's the other closet with the safe and a couple of drawers. So here's the desk. I went a little overboard with ordering bottles of water. I got 2 cases, so I'm gonna have plenty of water. There's a little refrigerator down here. And there's my balcony. Look at that. We're still in Los Angeles right now. About to head out to Cabo San Lucas. So, seems like there are 2 configurations of this room. Some of them have the bed where the couch is, and some have the couch where the bed is. So, I think there's pluses and minuses to both setups. Found the hair dryer in the drawer here. So there is a hair dryer. Hooray! All right.
Our more brilliant smile is just a 2 button away, while the salon is a perfect look for hair and nails.
Oh, my children, so proud. Talk like a pirate.
Matey, I got my red stripe.
Sailing out of LA Harbor.
Resting. Everyone, no resting.
No rest for the weary butterflies.
Technology, huh?
What do you think,
I love
Jen?
cruising.
It's my worst nightmare.
Todo mal.
Para todo mal.
Para todo mal.
Para todo mal.
Mezcal.
Mezcal.
Para todo bien.
Para todo bien.
También.
También.
Y si no hay remedio.
Oh, action.
Now do one in slow-mo.
Wow.
Making a mess.
I know.
I don't to bring some menus in for me.
Yeah, and if there's Ives in there.
Salud. Mad scientist.
Rocker to eat the.
Scoop of this old bay.
Your face says you love it.
Really good. This is always ready. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready.